I know. I know. I know what you're thinking. What the heck is going on? Why is that king palm trunk so big for such a small, short tree? How is that possible? Is there like some super nutrients in the soil here? There's some like buried nuclear waste these things are tapping into. King palms don't get trunks that big, but it looks like a king palm. What's going on? Well, let me tell you what's going on. What's going on is we have a totally different kind of tree here. Yes, it does look like a king palm. That's true. It's actually much prettier than a king palm. Much fatter trunk. Silver, beautiful silver foliage. And it's a pretty funny place to film because all these people are walking by. But look at the silver on that. So what we have here is Archontophoenix maxima. Why do they call it maxima? Because it gets this maximum size. Everything about it. The crown shaft is big. The trunk is big. The fronds are big. And this is the largest king palm of all the different kind of king palms there are. And I'm down here in Orange, California, near Chapman University. I saw somebody planted these things like along the street, and they're absolutely gorgeous. They also get a stiffer frond, it looks like. So I'm wondering, it looks like they're going to be more wind resistant. Everything's stiffer about this plant. And supposedly they're a little bit less cold hardy than Archontophoenix cunninghamiana. But, you know, as long as you have your frost under control wherever you are, then you probably can handle growing this tree in your garden. And you can see how beautiful this frond is. Actually has more of a lime green sort of tropical color to the tree, as well as the crown shaft. You can see the coloration. See if you get a better coloration. This is more of a lime green color. I think that this tree is just far superior in all ways than any of the other king palms. One thing that's interesting though about this palm is that it gets lots of scale. I've been growing these, look, here it is. Lots of scale in there. And so the trick is to just take your hose and blast the tree off, blast all the scale off. You can see the plants growing through the scale. It doesn't really matter so much. But isn't that just a beautiful, beautiful look? If you know your king palms, you'll know that that's just a totally different kind of king palm. I've never seen so many of these king palms all lined up like this in a public location. Usually they are tucked away in a private collection. So it's really good to see them get out here. And that's all I need to tell you. And if you're down here in Orange, California, you want to go to the filling station and get their spicy tuna sandwich. It was delicious.